Hey guys, it's me again. Today I spent my day working on this S9010. If you would have seen the Ray Charles video I made, Ray Charles video I made, you would have heard this record player had a pretty bad thump due to a bump or a flat spot in the idler wheel. Well, I got a parts record player just like this one, and I took the idler wheel out. Okay, this is the idler wheel. This is what drives the turntable. Now this is the one that came out of the parts one I had. Okay, what I did was I removed the one from this record player and I took it down to my friend's store who has a really nice drill press, and we took the idler wheel out of this shaft here, just pops right out, and we took it and we mounted it into his drill press. And then what we did was we mounted a block on top of the drill press just like this, and we had another block of wood wrapped with sandpaper. Just pretend this is a block of wood wrapped with sandpaper. I don't have one that I could show you exactly what I did, but pretend that's what that is. So this is in the drill press spinning, and we just lightly tapped it a few times to remove some of the material. And then we did it 3 times because we only took a really small amount at a time, and then we felt it, and when the bump was still there we did it again, and it took 3 times, and then the bump was totally gone, and the shininess was gone, and it felt nice and smooth. So I said, okay, well, let me go home and put that in there and give it a try. So that's what I have in here now. And the way it was before, we would have already heard the idler wheel making that bumping noise. Now it's gone. So I did play this a couple times and it sounds great. This is a record released in 1985. It's an Elvis Presley record, and they re-released it in mono. Okay. And which is nice, and they even put this label back on. It says a new orthophonic high fidelity recording. So if you got one of those old RCA orthophonic hi-fis, this record would probably sound fantastic on there. So let me go ahead and play this song and we'll hear what this sounds like. Now between the songs is where you notice the bumping the most. So listen between these songs. You basically don't hear a thing.
Well, the bless of my soul, what's wrong with me? I met you like a man on a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting wild as a bug. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Yeah. Well, my hands are shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own feet. Who do you think of when you have such love?
No bumping, no thumping.
I'm all shook up. Yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I feel fine when I'm near the girl that I have best. My heart beats so it scares me to death when she touches my hand. But the chill I got, her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Yeah. My tongue gets tied when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this body of mine. That's to have that girl and a love so fine. She touched my head and was the chill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Yeah.
Nice and quiet.
Well, since my baby left, well, I found a new place.
Now I thought of trying that myself because I looked into it, and it was going to cost me $40 or $45 to have this idler wheel resurfaced, and then plus shipping and all. You know, it would have been expensive. So I said, what the heck? You know, I'll give this a try. It might work, and it worked. I still can select 33. Okay, it still plays correctly when I select 33, and you know, that bumping is gone.
You ain't nothing but
I'm real happy. So I hope you guys like that, and I hope maybe somebody else that's having the same problem might be able to you know, try that on theirs, and maybe they'll be successful. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care.